Hello, welcome to another video tutorial. My name is Infiniti, and of course I'm the designer behind all that you see here under Infiniti Crafting Co. and under Hey Craftepreneur. I want to thank you so much again for joining me and being a member of this micro community and supporting my content. You guys are the backbone of everything that continues to go on behind my YouTube channel and my small business. So thanks again. This month I am coming in to bring you guys the Ducky Pouf pattern, right? So this is another one of my classics that I stitched up probably in 2017, so before I even had an online presence with anything. I started stitching these, and this white one is actually my original. These are absolutely adorable. I didn't realize at the time that they would be able to be outfitted with some of my future patterns. So these floppy bunny ears are actually a separate headband pattern that you can find for free on my blog. I think you can still find it for free on my blog. I'll make sure you guys can, if not. But again, this is my original one that I ever made, and since then it has gotten an upgrade. So today I wanted to actually sit back and record a video so that it can go up, of course, for you guys, but also be updated with the PDF pattern in the shop. So without further ado, I'm going to pan on down. We are going to get into the material list first, and then I'm going to get into the instructions. If you are watching this video on Rumble or YouTube, this pattern is of course available right now to Hey Craftepreneur members. Eventually it will be available in the PDF file in the Handmade shop, but if you want to support my channel on a monthly basis, then I ask that you head over to the Hey Craftepreneur page today, listen/watch the info video that is above the subscription blocks, and then choose your plan. There's only one tier, either it's $5.99 a month or it's $19.99 quarterly. Whichever one is up to you. There is a promotion currently going on for the first 100 signups. If you use the promo code LetMeStitch, I will give you 20% off your first month as a thank you for wanting to continue to support my content.